It's another mobile app that has hit the streets to make life easier for South Africans. The on-demand delivery service called Sender delivers packages in the country's big cities using motorbikes. The customer books a collection and the company handles the rest, including insurance for all items that are transported. It's the brainchild of Zimbabwean-born George Siboshiwe and his business partner.
We were inspired by Uber and their business model that essentially allows an individual to take their phone and demand a service from their phone and actually instruct a driver to come to them. And we began to think about the cities that we live in, Johannesburg, Cape Town, Durban, Pretoria. And we thought about traffic. And we thought, wouldn't it be nice to have a motorbike pick up your phone and drop it off somewhere and not be stuck in traffic? Wouldn't it be nice for them to pick up your passport at the embassy when you're traveling, because they don't have traffic issues? And so we started building an application for that.
The founders say it's the cheapest in the market. Users are even able to track the journey of their package. It's basically a mobile concierge service.
It's a personal concierge service. It's the ability for you to be able to press something on your phone and you suddenly have your own runner who's going around doing errands for you. That's all it is. So imagine you're sitting at home, it's cold, it's winter, you have a prescription to be picked up from your doctor and you want medication to be picked up. You enter all of that in Sender and we'll go about and do it for you.
It's also an enterprise that is helping combat youth unemployment in the country by offering young people with motorcycle licenses an opportunity to work in courier services.
I like this job because of it helps many peoples, especially if you can see Joburg, you got many traffic. So us, it's easy for us because we can navigate the traffic. Because many people, they got many stress, they can forget even a small thing like credit card.
And now they're planning to expand on the continent.
We already have requests and interest from people, mostly in Africa, in sub-Saharan Africa, who are interested in franchising our product and using it for their markets. In fact, our product is easily tailored for an East African and West African market because they use a lot of motorbikes. We don't have a culture of motorcycles here unless they are luxury motorcycles. So we think our product fits in perfectly in those type of markets.
The startup is currently only operational in Cape Town, Durban, Johannesburg, and Pretoria. Yolisa Njomela, CCTV, Johannesburg, South Africa.